Hello everyone, my name is Juan Manuel Vallejo. I'm studying of the course of strategic management. I I am from the group number 71, and now I will be to talk about the strategic plan, the plan, the training plan for the company. In the performance of this work, you will find the simulated of development of a training plan resulting from the analysis carried out on the case of study during the previous phase of the course. I mean that the training and the development of skills and competence needed in the people who make up the supermercado and el daily everything for a consulting perspective and acting from such role. The goals. As a general objective, an employee development program is the proposed to develop the capabilities that the business needs with the objective of leading the market. Specific objectives. Mm, Bueno, okay, reading the bibliographical reference to appropriate the concept and carry out the training plan, identifying the approach and proposing as a recommendation the time and the resourcing necessary for this according to need analyzed. And now, on first question. What the positions or people do you need to develop according to the Hans? Okay, the understanding the current situation of the supermarket um, and the failures that exist at the cross-code level of the organization. From my role as an external consultant, I recommend carrying out a managerial structure that contemplates a training and the skills development plan directed to the relevant positions and leadership positions. Go to the company described below. Diamond Supermarket Organization. This is the hierarchic structure. General manager, chief accountant, head of operations, and quality control. For the second question of topic, um, this topic talk to about the what's requirements to formation these people um, um, or what competence I need to training for best operation out on in the company. Okay, in this case, pues, understanding the current situation of the supermarket and the failures that exist at the gross account level of the organization. Okay, the post and the general manager. Um, Description of requirement the competence. He needed a leadership. In general, all needed a formation with the leaderships, and more specifically, leadership and entrepreneurship and management and strategy focused on understanding the operation of your business and the operation of the competition and the efficient management of the cost. And a coding director, training concepts and management of a cultic in general. heat of operations, solid training in the process flow, organization of operation, process hours and monitoring and control of goals, implementation of the new technologies and management of control the software. QA, strong training in the quality specifications, health inventory, rotations, and as hours of specifications and selection of suppliers. Uh, okay, the next topic for the for this question, how will you build and maintain development methods according to the text recommended to read in this unit. As a consulting firm, I proposed a schedule for the development of the training plan that they will provide tools, strengthen or the develop competency in the position as people to which the training strategy is aimed. Making use of this space provided by different governmental entities, and that in addition they are free. This is the schedule for execution the in this activity. Here can you see the post and the course training that he needed, entity, and times, or dates and duration the results. Um, you can see the look at this in this schedule. We can see the topics that leadership, entrepreneurship, in general, formation or capacitation in formation in topics with according the role execution in the company. On the fourth topic, how will you administer and support the methods? Okay, according the reading and the bibliography, um, I recommended to the company to use LMS, in this case, Docebo Learning Management System. It is a global enterprise SaaS software as a service system for learning management, offered in a more than 14 languages. Docebo offers a learning ecosystem for companies and their employees, partners, and customers, and has been designed to increase learning performance and motivation. Docebo characteristics. Docebo is a user-focused technology accepted for its easy of use, elegance, and ability to mix advice with social and formal learning. Docebo has been awarded by PCMAC, come as the best online learning platform on the market. And finally, Docebo is total free. In conclusion, after the analysis carried out the supermarket as a case study in interesting exercise, is resulted to develop the concepts adquired through the course, understanding that human resources is a fundamental part of organizations, and the need that exists currently for the training for this, the implementation of the development programs for the employees aimed at the proposing the human resource and pairing their skills at the service of the organization for better performance. Science it also generates added value a high level of commitment. Due turnover and the high sense of belonging, In addition to they are part of the innovation of company with new ideas and strategies that they emerge from its experiences in the daily in operation for more and the better or more practical ways of doing operations. Thanks.